Welcome back to Techneox. Today we are looking at the iPhone Pro series, and what stands out immediately is how the new iPhone Air seems to have given Apple the freedom to push the Pro models further than ever. These Pro phones are thicker, packed with bigger batteries, stronger cooling, and upgraded cameras. They are not quite at the level of an Ultra, but this is the most performance-focused iPhone lineup Apple has made so far. What is interesting is that even though the iPhone Air attracts the most attention online, the Pro Max consistently ends up as the best-selling model. Most people still choose the highest tier, and Apple clearly designs the Pro series with that huge mainstream audience in mind. The camera system continues to be the area where Apple invests most of its yearly improvements, and this generation is no different. All three lenses now feel more unified, with better consistency in color, sharpness, and dynamic range. While the main and ultra-wide lenses remain very similar to last year's models, the telephoto camera receives a significant leap forward. Apple has upgraded it to a 48-megapixel sensor with 4x optical zoom, replacing the older 12-megapixel 5x lens. This new sensor captures noticeably sharper images with improved detail and reduced noise thanks to its larger size and higher resolution. Even the digital 2x zoom looks cleaner and more precise because of enhanced image processing. The end result is a set of 3 dependable, high-resolution cameras that work well for everyday users and also for creators who rely on their iPhones for more serious content production. Video quality also continues to move in a more professional direction. The new Pro models support advanced recording formats that give editors greater control over exposure, color, and white balance during post-production. Apple has added tools that sync multiple cameras together, which is incredibly useful for filmmakers creating scenes from different angles. These updates help bridge the gap between a smartphone camera and traditional professional equipment. The selfie camera receives improvements too, offering clearer photos and smoother video, although those upgrades are discussed more in the standard iPhone 17 model review. Nevertheless, creators and professionals will appreciate how the Pro lineup takes video recording to a new level. One of the most striking changes this year is the new physical design. Instead of focusing on ultra-thin bodies, Apple has decided to embrace a more solid and durable build. With the Air models covering the ultra-slim market, the Pro lineup now shifts toward a sturdier construction that offers practical benefits. The new Pro models use a metal unibody frame instead of the traditional glass sandwich design. While glass is still used in certain areas for wireless charging and antenna performance, the majority of the structure is now metal. This gives the phone greater strength, increases internal space, and helps improve airflow. It also allows Apple to include a vapor chamber cooling system for the very first time. The new top camera plateau creates a natural place for your hand to rest when holding the phone, improving comfort. Combined with the updated ceramic shield on the front, the entire device feels much more rugged and built to last. Some users have noticed slight scratching on the darker aluminum finishes, especially around sharper corners such as the camera housing, but it remains to be seen how widespread this issue will become over time. At the heart of the device is the A19 Pro chip, paired with increased RAM and a far more efficient thermal system. Performance feels noticeably faster in everyday use, with apps launching quicker and transitions feeling smoother. Due to the enhanced cooling system, the phone maintains stable temperatures even during extended gaming sessions or long periods of video recording. It sustains higher frame rates without dropping performance and keeps the screen brightness more consistent without dimming from heat. These changes bring some of the advantages usually found in gaming phones, such as superior thermals and stability, into a smartphone designed for all types of users. The improved cooling not only boosts performance but also increases the device's durability and long-term reliability. Battery life has improved significantly this year. The Pro model now includes a much larger battery, and the Pro Max version surpasses the 5,000 mAh mark for the first time. These upgrades make a clear difference in daily usage. The phone lasts longer under normal workloads, and heavy users can comfortably get through a full day with power to spare. Charging speeds have also received a meaningful improvement. The phone can reach roughly half of its battery capacity in around 20 minutes, which, while not as fast as some Android flagships, still represents a notable step forward for Apple. The combination of larger battery capacity and improved energy efficiency means you can rely on all-day performance without worrying about running out of power at inconvenient moments. The irony of the new Pro models is that by making them more professional and feature-packed, Apple has also made them the best mainstream phones for most users. The added durability, bigger batteries, improved thermals, and upgraded cameras benefit everyone, not just enthusiasts. This is the strongest and most refined Pro lineup Apple has made so far, and while an Ultra model would still push things further, the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max deliver an impressive leap in refinement and capability. Thanks for watching TechNeox. More reviews coming soon.